Benefits of benfotiamine. Vitamin B1. What if one simple vitamin could truly transform your energy, nerves, and overall metabolism today? Millions of people take regular vitamin B1 daily, yet most absorb almost nothing at all. There is one special hidden form your body can actually absorb and use very effectively. By the end of this video, you will completely understand exactly why it matters. That special form is simply called benfotiamine, a powerful fat-soluble version of natural vitamin B1. Today, we will explore 10 truly incredible benefits this remarkable nutrient offers your entire body. Each benefit is backed by real science, explained simply so anyone can understand it easily. From nerve health to brain function, this nutrient covers nearly every important part of you. Stay with us until the very end to discover the single most surprising benefit today. Let's dive right into the very first amazing benefit waiting patiently for you right now. Benefit number 1, supports healthy nerve function. Benfotiamine is a unique fat-soluble form of thiamine valued for its strong bioavailability and absorption. Research suggests this nutrient may help protect nerve cells from damage caused by high blood sugar. By supporting nerve function, it may reduce tingling, numbness, and general nerve discomfort over time. Some studies also link it to lower levels of harmful compounds formed during high blood sugar. With consistent use, benfotiamine may gradually support healthier nerves and better overall nervous system function. Benefit number 2, supports healthy blood sugar metabolism. Benfotiamine plays a role in carbohydrate metabolism, helping the body convert food into usable energy. This process may support healthier blood sugar levels by improving how the body processes glucose internally. By assisting key enzyme activity, it helps the body use carbohydrates more efficiently and effectively. Some evidence suggests this support may also reduce oxidative stress linked to elevated blood sugar levels. Over time, this balanced metabolic support may contribute to steadier energy and improved overall wellness. Benefit number 3, offers powerful antioxidant support. Benfotiamine also acts as a supportive antioxidant, helping the body manage everyday cellular stress naturally. Scientists believe it may help slow glycation, a process where sugar molecules damage healthy body proteins. This protective action may help preserve healthy tissues and support much smoother cellular function overall. It also works alongside other antioxidants, offering additional support against everyday oxidative damage within the body. With regular intake, this antioxidant support may help maintain healthier cells well into the future. Benefit number 4, supports cardiovascular health. Benfotiamine may also support cardiovascular wellness by helping maintain healthy blood vessel structure and function. Some research indicates it may help protect blood vessels from stress caused by high sugar exposure. By supporting vessel health, it may help promote smoother blood flow throughout the entire body. It may also work well alongside other heart-supportive nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Over the long term, this support may contribute to a healthier, more resilient cardiovascular system. Benefit number 5, supports brain function and mental clarity. Vitamin B1 has long been recognized as essential for healthy brain function and mental clarity. Because benfotiamine crosses cell membranes so efficiently, it may support better nutrient delivery to brain cells. This support may help maintain focus, memory, and mental sharpness as people grow much older. Some studies also connect healthy thiamine levels with improved mood and noticeably reduced daily mental fatigue. In the long run, benfotiamine may help protect cognitive health and daily mental performance too. Benefit number 6, boosts natural energy production. As a form of vitamin B1, benfotiamine plays a central role in cellular energy production. It helps convert carbohydrates from food into usable fuel that powers muscles, organs, and daily activity. This steady energy support may help reduce fatigue and improve physical stamina throughout the day. Because it is fat-soluble, benfotiamine may stay active in the body longer than regular thiamine forms. This extended activity may support more consistent energy levels rather than short, temporary energy bursts. Benefit number 7 may ease diabetic nerve discomfort. One well-researched use of benfotiamine involves supporting people who experience nerve discomfort linked to diabetes. Clinical studies suggest it may help ease tingling, burning, and numbness linked to peripheral nerve issues. This benefit is believed to come from its protective effect on small, sensitive nerve fibers. Researchers also note it may support better nerve signaling, which can improve day-to-day physical comfort levels. While not a true cure, this support may meaningfully improve comfort and quality of life. Benefit number 8 supports long-term kidney health. Emerging research has also examined benfotiamine's role in supporting healthy kidney function over extended periods. Some studies suggest it may reduce certain markers of kidney stress associated with elevated blood sugar. By limiting harmful glycation byproducts, it may help protect delicate kidney tissues from ongoing damage. This protective mechanism may work best alongside a balanced diet and other healthy, kidney-friendly lifestyle habits. Although research continues, early findings suggest promising long-term support for overall kidney health and function. Benefit number 9 supports healthy eyes and vision. Benfotiamine has also drawn scientific interest for its potential role in supporting long-term eye health. Some research links it to reduced glycation damage within the tiny blood vessels inside the eyes. Because of this, it may help maintain healthy retinal function for people managing sugar levels. It may also complement other important eye supportive nutrients, such as vitamin A, lutein, and zinc 2. With ongoing daily use, this support may help preserve sharper vision and healthier eyes long term. Benefit number 10 supports overall cellular health and healthy aging. Finally, benfotiamine may support overall cellular health by protecting cells from ongoing sugar-related daily stress. Because glycation contributes to visible aging signs, reducing it may help support healthier-looking skin and tissues. This cellular protection may also support joints, muscles, and connective tissues as the body ages. Combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper hydration, its benefits become even more noticeable. Altogether, this makes benfotiamine a promising, well-rounded addition to a healthy, long-term daily wellness routine. Dear viewers, benfotiamine stands out as a smarter, better-absorbed form of vitamin B1 with wide-ranging potential benefits. From nerve and brain support to cardiovascular, metabolic, and cellular health, its role is impressive. While it isn't a magic cure, the science behind it is genuinely encouraging and promising. As always, talk to your doctor before adding any new supplement to your routine. If this video helped you, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss another video like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay happy and stay healthy.